7 Dimensions of a Great Dad. Episode 1. Spiritual. The Praying Dad. Your greatest strength is on your knees. There is a type of strength the world does not talk about enough. It is not in the gym. It is not in the boardroom. It is not in the bank account. It is in the quiet place before the house wakes up, where a father gets on his knees and covers his family in prayer. That dad? He is the most powerful man in the room. Every room. Part 1. The invisible work of a spiritual father. Most people only see what a dad does with his hands. They see him go to work. They see him fix things. They see him provide. But there is a whole other level of fatherhood that happens in the spirit. When a dad prays for his children by name, when he speaks life over them before they even wake up, he is building a covering that no school, no system, and no circumstance can tear down. Joshua 24:15. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. That was a father making a declaration, not a suggestion, a declaration, and that declaration became a generational shield. Part 2. Dads, your faith is your legacy. Your children are watching everything. They watch how you handle pressure. They watch whether you panic or whether you pray. They watch whether Sunday is just a routine or a genuine encounter. And what they see, they will carry into their own homes one day. A dad who prays is not just building his own life. He is building the spiritual foundation of every generation that comes after him. Part 3. To the dad who has drifted. Maybe you started strong in your faith and life got complicated. Maybe the pressure of providing, of showing up, of being strong pulled you away. It is never too late to come back. Your children do not need a perfect dad. They need a dad who gets back up. To every praying dad, the ones who wake up early and cover their family, to every dad who has ever whispered a prayer over a sleeping child, God sees you. Your family feels you, and your legacy will outlive you. You are not just a dad, you are a priest of your home. Happy Father's Day.